Today I'll show you how you can prepare some text to cut out on your cutting machine so that it will cut out as just a single piece so that you don't have to piece text together, try to keep it on a level line if you're wanting to use it for scrapbooking or card making. So I've got my SureCutsAlot5 open. I am going to use the text tool and I'll type out the text that I'm going to want to cut out. Now, if we were to cut this out just as it is right now, it would just cut it out as individual letters. And so we want to select a font that will be easy to connect together. And a font I like to use is Brush Script. And so first of all, let's select the text. And we'll come down to Brush Script. Then I'm going to hold down my Shift key and resize it just so that it's easier to see. And I am also going to come up here to the color palette. And if we set the fill to none, you'll see here what this is going to do. Even though most of the letters are connected, it is still going to cut out the individual letters. And also the W is going to be cut out separately. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we are going to ungroup. And now we can take the W and we need to make sure that we've got the select tool and select the W and just kind of nudge it over until it's barely connected with the E. And so now all the letters are physically connected to each other, but they're still going to be cutting out in individual letters. So we want to make sure, again, the select tool up here is selected. And we will select them all. We will right-click, select Path, and Union. And so now you can see that it's all just one piece now that will be cut out all in one piece. And if you want to see how it will look colored, once again, we'll come here and select our color palette and we'll set to color again. And so this is what it will look like when it's cut out. And then at this point, you can do a File, Export, and you want to export it as an SVG or any of the other patterns. Normally, I like to do it as an SVG. And give it a name so that you can understand what it's saying. Let's say, Welcome SVG. Click Save. Now we have different options here. If you're going to be using it in Cricut Design Space, you want to make sure this is checked. Otherwise, just click OK to save your SVG file, which then you can download to your cutting machine and cut it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.